So would you like to create a professional Wix e-commerce website? I'm going to show you how to do this in a very easy way using Wix. And of course, these are just free elements, but if you want to get started selling date, you must have an actual current plan into Wix. You have the link down below in the description if you want to try it out for the next 30 days. Now, once we are here to logged the Wix, you want to logged in or to sign up. So just want to follow the prompts to create an account using an email as well as a passcode, verify that, and then you're actually good to go. Inside the site, it's going to be asking you to create your very first new site. This is the part where you can start with a Wix e-commerce template or to use the artificial intelligence. What I can suggest you is to start without the chat. You can try it out the artificial intelligence if you wanted to, but in our case, speaking about winning e-commerce products, works the best to look out for templates that were already been created and designed from Wix. Now into the section that says what type of website do you want to create, let's go for e-commerce or just type the word store. So you can choose if this one is a clothing store, electronics, accessories, appliance, mobile, and much more. Let's look out for clothing store and hit now for continue. Now this is the part who's going to be preparing our dashboard so you can see what is actually working and what is not working. This is the part where you wanted to set up and setting up your store. I'm going to name my store. I'm going to go for continue. And then here I say that I'm just starting out from the online store. This is going to be really easy for people who are just getting started because they're going to be helping you with a bunch of articles that are totally for free and can help you to get started totally for free. So what kind of product are you selling? Let's say that in my case, I'm going to look out for some print-on-demand products. I go for continue, and I just want to focus with online store. Let's go for continue once again, and continue to my dashboard. Inside the dashboard of the Wix, you might be checking out that we have a to-do list. So this is how we can actually set up our store. Connecting a custom domain, set up some payment method, add your first product, setting up the shipping and delivery, design your website, selling drop shipping and print-on-demand products, and get found by customers into Google. So for example, connecting a Google domain is going to be really required to have a premium account. Setting up some payment method once again should be exactly the same process. If you go directly here into connect, you just need to select an account to make the connection really quick. So these are elements that you can do by yourself and actually don't take a lot of your time. So what I'm going to be doing here is now to show you how to actually focus into the design of your e-commerce store. So let's go back into the home dashboard, and here into the setup section you can see that we have this element. So all of these you can do it by yourself. Let's focus directly straight up to the design of my site. If I go for the option that says design site, you can choose a template or once again choose artificial intelligence. I go for pick a template because I wanted to choose really winning great designs that were matched of course with what I'm looking for. So for example, here I have this element selected and go for edit. Choose the one that best suits for your branding and go for continue. In my case, I think to go for this one and go for edit. Now you will be having access to this template so you can start customizing as you wanted to. So you have access now into the Wix website editor. Into this Wix website editor, it's actually going to be really easy to edit, add, or modify stuff directly into your template. You should see now that here, this huge section is like a preview of how it's going to be looking our website. Into the left part, here are the tools that can be helping us to customize our website, and into the upper side we have elements that can help you to change from different pages and to, let's say, change a little bit elements that I currently am selected with my mouse. Some tools can be helping you to make your store more reliable and more easy to use. For example, the enhanced of your artificial intelligence content. For example, adding details about your site, the type of site you are using, the name of your site, and you can generate some typed text. For example, in this case, this is a clothing store. Generate the site text, and the creating text of my site should be automatically be creating. There are a few elements that you can use for making your website look much better. But basically what I just told you that we did before from the customization, these are tools that can be helping you to, of course, edit your site effortlessly so you don't have to focus into the design and just focus into what matters the most, which is the actual selling. So check out how it actually looks your website, and then once you're good to go, what you can do is to make sure it actually looks great. For example, here have limited time offer, join our animal inspired community on Instagram. Here is a description, shop new animal collection, and doesn't look that bad. So I get to go for save, hit into published, and I'm actually good to go. So guys, this is just a really easy way of how you can get started creating an actual e-commerce design. There's a lot of things to cover. For example, adding your first product, setting up a shipping and delivery, setting up some drop shipping, get found by customers into Google. But I believe we needed a full tutorial to understand, and of course focusing into one at a time, step by step. So if you wanted us to do this video for you, you can let us know into the comments below. So with that being said, we can now get the break end of the video. So don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools how we can sell here into Wix. Thank you once again for watching this video. Hopefully we can all see you next time.